Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were at unification of Germany. Okay. So they go to Versailles, France, and they meet at the Hall of Mirrors and proclaim whom as the ruler. Who was proclaimed as the ruler then? काक ruler कले? Kaiser Wilhelm as the ruler. Okay, nahi?
Yes, ma'am.
So the new states were formed and emphasis was on modernization. Modernization of what? Of banking, of currency, of the legal system and of the judicial system. Jeta Kaiser Wilhelm king bhabe asile Germany re, tapare there was modernization. Okay. And after Germany was unified, it also inspired other regions. Okay. So the other regions that were inspired by Germany was what? Which region? Italy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we will deal with unification of Italy. Now, Italy was divided into 7 states, of which only one, Sardinia Piedmont, was ruled by an Italian dynasty. Okay. So Italy re thila kona? Gote thila South Italy thila, gote thila gote thila North Italy, joti ki Habsburg thila, rule karu thila. Tapare asila kona? South, seti thile Bourbon kings of Spain mane rule karu thile. Central re, it was the papal state. Papal state mane, it was generally controlled by the Pope. And who is the Pope? Pope ଶୁଣିଛ କେବେ ନା?
No, ma'am.
Pope ହେଲେ highest order in the church. ହେଲା? ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ବହୁତ powers ଥାଏ as far as the church was related. So central ରେ generally Pope ମାନଙ୍କର ବେଶୀ ideas prevail କରୁଥିଲା. And apart from that, ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ north ରେ ରହିଗଲା Habsburg, south ରେ ଆସିଗଲା Bourbon dynasty, ହେଲା? ମଝିରେ ରହିଲା Pope ମାନଙ୍କର what was it? Papal state. Side କୁ ଆସିବ, ହେଲା? Towards the west of like Habsburg and all, ଆସିବ ଦିଟା island. କଣ ଥିଲା ସେ island ର ନା? Sardinia Piedmont. ହେଲା? And Sardinia Piedmont area, that was the only area which was under the princely house of Italian dynasty. ହେଲା କି? ସେଇଠି it was only Sardinia Piedmont ଖାଲି ଗୋଟିଏ ଜାଗା ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟାକୁ କି Italian dynasty rule କରୁଥିଲେ. ଆଉ ବାକି ମାନଙ୍କରେ ସେମାନେ rule କରୁନଥିଲେ. ହେଲା? ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ rule କରୁଥିଲେ, ତ ideas of Italian unification first was given by whom? କିଏ first idea ଦେଇଥିଲେ Italian unification ପାଇଁ କି? Secret societies form କରିକି?
Augusto Mazzini.
Mazzini ଦେଇଥିଲେ. ହେଲା? Through a secret society called Young Italy. But was he successful?
No, ma'am.
No. So after his failed revolutions in 1831 and 1848, dates गुड़ाक टिके टिके मने रखिथिबो नले answers frame करियाको difficulty हबो. The lead was taken by the king of Sardinia, Victor Emmanuel II. बुझा पड़ला? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଟାଲୀର ୟୁନିଫିକେସନ ହବା ପାଇଁ କି ଭାବିଲେ, କିଏ ଭାବିଲେ? Only dynasty that was ruling Piedmont, ସେଠି Sardinia Piedmont, ସିଏ ଥିଲେ କିଏ? Italian dynasty, ହେଲା? ଆଉ ସିଏ ଭାବିଲେ କି no, we will now unify Italy. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ unify କରିବାକୁ ଭାବିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କ ପୂର୍ବରୁ କିଏ ସେଟା ନେଇଥିଲେ? Mazzini ହେଲା try କରିଥିଲେ through secret societies called Young Italy. But he failed, and now the king of Sardinia, who was the king of Sardinia? Victor Emmanuel II. ସେତେବେଳେ ଯିଏ ତାଙ୍କର king ଥିଲେ, he thought of unification of Italy. Why did he think of unification of Italy? तो जेते यूनिफाइड रहबा इटली सते इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट हबो हैला सो द मोर यूनिफाइड अ नेशन द बेटर द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एथि जोगे हु थॉट Victor Emmanuel II thought of unifying Italy, but he was the second. The first was Mazzini, Giuseppe Mazzini. Okay. So, केमती कि ना Victor Emmanuel केमती start कले?
Through his chief minister.
With his chief minister.
Chief Minister.
हाँ. The Victor Emmanuel कौन कले along with the chief minister of Sardinia. What was his name? Count Cavour. Hela. So Victor Emmanuel along with Count Cavour, who was the then chief minister of Sardinia, they joined hands for the unification of Italy. एबे कौन है कि Count Cavour जे थिले जे chief minister थिले, he was a very diplomatic person. तांकर समस्त साय भलो पडुथिला. से केबे कहा against रे नथिले. हला, he was neither a revolutionary nor was he a democratic. तो तांकर किया आसिला किए गला तांको फरक पड़े ना. He just did his duty. हला, तो तांकर फ्रांस संगरे भलो संपर्क थिला. He had good relations with which country? With France. हला. So he took help from France and he defeated what? The north. The north he defeated, that is Austria, the Habsburg Empire. एबे north टा पड़ेला. हला. North पड़ेला जेते बेले New North and Sardinia came together. North आउ एपटे Sardinia मिसी गले. हला. The Habsburg Empire and Sardinia. So there was a huge area now. हाँ. तापरे कौन हैला? Chief Minister of Sardinia, Count Cavour, led the unification process by diplomatic alliance with France to defeat Austria and unify its northern territories. In the southern part, एबे north टा मिसी गला का संगरे? Sardinia संगरे?
Sardinia.
हाँ. एबे रहिला कौन? Papal state रहिला और southern part रहिला. Southern part रे से टाइम रे कौन हैला? Giuseppe Garibaldi. हैला. सिए थिले कौन? Giuseppe Mazzini. और ये थिले Giuseppe Garibaldi. Led the movement by involving local peasant support to drive out the Spanish ruler. Garibaldi कौन कले? He organized movement along with the peasants. Peasants के farmers लोग माने जे थिले सेठी करो हैला. आउ defeat कले कहा को? Spanish rulers. कोठी? Towards the south. The Bourbon dynasty जोटा को rule कोटला. Bourbon dynasty of Spain. हैला. तो Garibaldi हैला southern part रे defeat करिकिना along with the peasants say he drove out the Spanish rulers. Thus, the process of unification was completed with the crowning of Victor Emmanuel II as King of Italy. एठी देखो, हमारा north रे जता Habsburg Empire आसिके मिसिला Sardinia संगरे. South रे हाँ north रे कहा पाएंगे कहाँ efforts पे? The chief minister of Sardinia. हाँ तापरे एठी southern part रे कौन हैला? Garibaldi. He led the movement and he involved the local peasant. एबे north मिसी जाइतला, एबे south भी मिसी गला. तो north south रहिला किए papal state in the center. Papal state कौन कले? से माने कहले कि जदि आमे war रे जाउछे, if we go in war and if we are defeated, then it will be a matter of shame for us. हमको बहुत लाज लागिबो, बहुत खराब भी लागिबो कि अच्छा हमें हारी गले. आ काहे ना एमाने तो already north और south दीटा जाको को conquer करि देइतले. They had already conquered the southern part, the Habsburg, and the northern part where with the support of the peasants. हाँ. तापरे papal state कौन कले? They diluted their power. से माने openly कहले कि no, we will no longer be in power. और तमे माने distribute करि देले power टा तांकर. तो एबे कोन हला सबु जाको गोटे ruler को under आसी गला. So now New Italy was unified with the crowning of which king? Victor Emmanuel II as king in 1861. हला बुझा पड़ला? How Italy was unified? Did you follow this?
Yes, ma'am.
So Sardinia आगे north संगरे alliance हला, तापरे south रे with the effort of Giuseppe Garibaldi. तापरे जोटा papal state थिला, they diluted their power and thus Italy was unified, crowning whom? Victor Emmanuel II. हैला, Italy तो unified है गला, but there was illiteracy in Italy. लोक माने बुझी पारु नथिले कि आमे काहे की why we are hosting this wars, आमे काहे की लड़ुचे कंट्री मानको संगे, आमे काहे expansion करूचे, ए जो nation state रो identity कोन, collective identity कोन. There were many parts of Italy which did not understand this because they were illiterate. हैला, आ से माने बुझ भी पार नथले कि ए लिबरल मूवमेंट ता काई होची, लिबरल नेशनलिस्ट कोन, तांको आइडियोलॉजी कोन, किछ बुझ पार नथले. जेमती आमे कहूने, आमे जेमती नारा लगौचे, हां भारत माता की जय, आमे कहूचे कि नहीं? हां, यस और नो? Yes. So ସେମାନଙ୍କର ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ହେଲା ନାରା ଲଗଉଥିଲେ? La Italia. ସେମାନେ କଣ ଲଗଉଥିଲେ ନାରା? La Italia. ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଭାବୁଥିଲେ କି these people, the peasants or the illiterate class, they used to think that why are they saying La Italia, La Italia? And then they thought, अच्छा अच्छा बोधे king रो wife को किए आउ किए capture କରି नेइछि, आमको ताको छड़ेबा को जिबार अछि, and that is why we are shouting the slogan La Italia and we are marching towards rescuing the wife of the king. Hela, mane they were so innocent, they did not understand why the wars were being waged. ସେମାନେ ବୁଝି ପାରୁ ନଥିଲେ, ଏତେ innocence ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର, ଆଉ illiteracy ବି ଥିଲା कि ଆମର wars ଗୁଡାକ କାହିଁକି ହଉଛି. So this was how Italy was unified. So here we have the photos of Mazzini, okay, and Garibaldi, Mazzini, who failed in his attempt to unify Italy, then Garibaldi, who helped in uniting the southern part with Sardinia, and here is Count Cavour, who helped in unifying the northern part, and here finally Victor Emmanuel II, who was crowned as the king in 1861. So we are done with unification of Germany. We are done with unification of Italy. And now we come to the unification of Great Britain. Now, unlike other European unifications, the unification of Great Britain was not the result of a nationalist revolt. So, unification of Great Britain was not formed out of a long drawn out process. It was a planned thing and it was not by sudden upheaval or revolution. एमती नहीं जे लोक माने प्लान कले, रिवोल्ट कले, आ सडनली आसे कि ना भाबिले कि नहीं हमें ब्रिटेन को यूनिफाई करि दबा. हैला, so it was a very thought out process. The British Isles consisted of 4 main ethnic regions: English, Welsh, Scottish, and Irish. British Isles के बुझिछो से concept टा? British Isles किए, UK किए, Great Britain किए. Any one of you all know this? किए जानिछ? किए मते बुझेई पारिबो ग्रेट ब्रिटेन को कंट्री रे आसीबे? यूके किए, ब्रिटिश आइल्स किए? के जानना? ओके. स्कॉटलैंड, इंग्लैंड आउ वेल्स. एटा हमें मैथमेटिक्स भलिया पढिबा. स्कॉटलैंड प्लस इंग्लैंड प्लस वेल्स. They made what? They made Great Britain. हैला, ता संगरे आउ गोटे थिला कंट्री जोटा हैला कि आयरलैंड. आयरलैंड रो दीटा पार्ट थिला. नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड ऊपर को, तळ को हैला रिपब्लिक ऑफ आयरलैंड. हां, जेतले स्कॉटलैंड, इंग्लैंड आ वेल्स मेक ग्रेट ब्रिटेन, ता संगरे जेतले हमें नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड ता ऐड करूछे. आयरलैंड दीटा पार्ट, Northern Ireland or Republic of Ireland. When Great Britain, which comprises of Scotland, England and Wales plus Northern Ireland, it makes United Kingdom. ହେଲା ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ British Isles କହୁଛେ, it is all together, that is total Ireland, Northern Ireland plus Republic of Ireland and Scotland, England, Wales. So Great Britain plus UK plus Republic of Ireland ହେଲେ ଆସିବ କଣ British Isles. ବୁଝା ପଡିଲା? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear with this? एटा प्लस प्लस करके लिखि दबो बुझि परिबो कि कोटा हला ग्रेट ब्रिटेन कोटा यूके और कोटा हला ब्रिटिश आइल्स. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So there were 4 ethnic identity in British Isles. What were they? English, Welsh, Scottish and Irish. Hela jeta 4 ethnic identities, that means 4 ethnic cultures, chatta alga alga culture. Hela so here the decision for unification was taken by the British Parliament. Kemti? Although there were 4 ethnic regions, the English people, that is the people of England, they had more power. How did they have more power?
Because of industrialization.
Very good. Because of industrialization. They were very prosperous. The Western Europe developed industries and they began to grow. So English Parliament also became more powerful. When the English people were more prosperous and they were more powerful, so the English Parliament also became more powerful. And when it became more powerful, it started to pressurize the monarch and seize the power. Hela. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ପାୱାର ଟା ଇଂଲିଶ ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଅଧିକା ହେଇଗଲା, ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରେସର ବନେଇଲେ କାହା ଉପରେ? ସେଠି ଯେ କିଙ୍ଗ ରେନ୍ କରୁଥିଲା ସେଇ ଟାଇମ ରେ, ହେଲା ତା ଉପରେ ବନେଇକି they demanded what? Constitutional monarchy, that the monarch will have to go according to the rules of the constitution. So this was the pressure created by the English Parliament. So what happened? Now England thought to increase its power and took to expansion of its neighbors. तो ସେମାନେ କେମିତି କିନା ତାଙ୍କ power increase ହବ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ side by side expand କରିବେ. କୋଉଠି expand କରିବେ? ତାଙ୍କର ଯେ neighboring countries ସିଆଡେ ହିଁ expand କରିବେ ନା. So ଆଗେ ସେମାନେ କାହାକୁ target କଲେ? Scotland. So the decision for unification was taken by the British Parliament, and in 1707, through an Act of Union, England took control of Scotland, completely subjugating their identity. England ଯେତେବେଳେ Scotland ର control ନେଲା, ତାପରେ it totally, the Scotland people, they totally lost their identity. Okay, so in 1801, through another Act of Union, Ireland too was made a part of the Kingdom of Great Britain. There are 2 sects. Which are they? One is the Catholics and another one is the Protestant. Okay, so the Catholics were like the Roman Catholics, and they were from the ancient times, and they were generally, you can say, the conservative Christians, what you call them. And then later part, there came the Protestants who followed the New Testament. ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ideology ଥିଲା. So ଏଇ ଦି ଜଣ differ କଲେ, ହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଇ ଦି ଜଣ differ କଲେ, ତାଙ୍କର ideas ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ideologies ବି ଥିଲା ସେଗୁଡାକ ବି differ କଲା. So there was also a conflict between them. So there was conflict between the Catholics and Protestants in England, as Protestants dominated in England. Act of Union ଯେତେବେଳେ 1707 ର ହେଲା, England and Scotland ରେ, it resulted in Great Britain. What formed by the Act of Union, ତାକୁ କଣ କୁହାଯିବ? Great Britain. So if there is a question, in which year did the Great Britain come? You will say what? Through the Act of Union in 1707. Okay. Yes or no? Understood till here? और सन्ना समझ सोई पड़लो की?
No, ma'am.
तबे आंसर न कले मु तापर कहिबेनी जे. Arijit, Pratyush, Jasmine, who else is there? Shantanu, Ankita. Ankita is answering in between. Okay, children. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now Scotland had different culture and it was curbed down. Scotland ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଲଗା culture ଥିଲା, but ଏ ଯୋଉ union ହେଲା England and Scotland resulting in Great Britain, their culture was totally curbed down. ତାଙ୍କ language, ତାଙ୍କ dress, ତାଙ୍କ ethnicity. So there was a feeling of suppression amongst them. ସେମାନେ ଭାବିଲେ England ତ ଆମକୁ dominate କରୁଛି, so they were feeling suppressed. ହେଲା. Now Ireland ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା, it was also Catholic dominated. Hela, except Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland ko chhadi dele, rest of the island, the Republic of Ireland, it was Catholic dominated. And Northern Ireland, it was mainly Protestant dominated. And the Protestants were rich and powerful at that time. They were supported by, why were they rich and powerful? Because they were supported by Britain. Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Britain was supporting them. Why? So that they can establish their dominance over the Catholic country. एमान चाहूँले आमे Catholic countries उरा जतिकी अछि तांको आमे सबु dominate करी जिबा, then the Protestants will reign and they will, so they thought of expanding, and the more they expand, the more they become economically, they become a developed region. So the Catholics, they revolted. When the Catholics realized that they were being dominated, they started revolting. Au tanko revolt tanko kiye help karithila? So the Catholics revolted. Who led the revolt by the Catholics? Wolfe Tone in 1798 against unification of Ireland. So in 1801, through another act of union, Ireland too was made a part of the kingdom of Great Britain. Now Republic of Ireland was a separate country, and they had their own collective identity in British nation. Tanko flag ta kono achi British flag ta kono? Kemtiya thai British flag? Ankita? Shantanu, tell me. Arijit? British flag kemtiya?
Ma'am, Union Jack.
Union Jack.
Union Jack. So, and there came the national anthem too. What was the national anthem? God save our noble king. And there was dominance of English language. So this is how Great Britain was unified. See, you can see the map over here. This is the national flag. Right corner
Yes,
top.
Yes.
Scotland. This is the Republic of Ireland. And this is England. And here it is Wales. So all together formed what? Great Britain. And which was the language which dominated? Which language dominated?
English.
Okay. So kiye hela revolt lead karithila with against the unification of Britain, but he failed. If there is a 1 mark question, who led the revolt which failed?
Wolfe Tone.
Wolfe Tone. So we are done with unification of Germany, of unification of Italy, and now we are done with unification of Britain. We are almost at the end of the chapter. Okay. And when all these regions were unified, what happened then? Again, start hela kon nationalism feeling. Hela ki? Again, start hela, no, we want national identity. and there was the people came together. There was a common idea that because we want a collective identity, that is why we are fighting for a nation to gain its identity. Samastankara thila nationalism feeling. Dhire dhire, what happened? The artists in the 18th and 19th century, they found a way out to personify nation. Nation sura create hey gala. Everyone had a separate identity. They were a separate nation now. Now, what the artists did was they started what? Personifying the nations. Personifying the nations mane ame padhithiba na? English e padhina. When you personify an object, what do you mean by personify? Personification kona? When you are giving a face.
Ma'am,
Ko Shantanu?
ma'am, when we specially giving attention or personify something or someone.
When we are giving a face of a person, or when we are giving an identity to an object. Se gote loko nuhe, se manisa nuhe, he is not a person, but we are thinking that object to be a person. India re jemti ame koche Bharat Mata ki jai. Bharat Mata kiye ke dekhicho? Bharat Mata ko kiye dekhicho? Has
No, ma'am.
anyone seen?
No, ma'am.
No. India is our motherland. What? We are giving a female figure to India. India is our motherland. Ame koche it is our fatherland. No, we are saying India is our motherland. So we are personifying. There is an allegory of India to a female figure. Okay. Kahinki? Why motherland? Because a mother has a wide heart and broad mind and is easily ready to accept everyone. Samastunku nijara karidiye. That is why ame koche India is our motherland. Jemti koche Bharat Mata. Semti artists jetore nations guraka form hei gala, then artists, what did the artists do? They started personifying the nations. They started giving face to the nation. When we think about the identity of the nation, when we are visualizing a nation, ଆମେ ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ଆସୁଛି ଆମ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ? ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କୁ visualize କରୁଛେ, when we say about India, when you close your eyes and think about India, କଣ ଆସୁଛି ଆଗକୁ?
A feeling.
Flag.
The national flag. Very good. ଆଉ କାହାର? Arijit?
Ma'am, a feeling towards the country.
ନାଇଁ
Love.
ମତେ feeling ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. When you close your eyes, ତମକୁ India କହିଲେ what picture comes to you?
From all the citizens in the country.
କୋଉ citizen ର ମୁହଁ ଆସୁଛି? Shahrukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan,
Soldiers.
Sachin Tendulkar, soldiers. କୋଉ soldiers କର ମୁହଁ ଆସୁଛି? ଧୋନି,
And freedom fighters.
freedom fighters କର. ଏମିତି ଶାନ୍ତନୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଭାବୁଛ ତମେ ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କଲା ବେଳୁ? When they are not the face of India, they represent India. Be it our soldiers, be it our actors, actresses, our players, cricketers, semane samaste, they represent India. But when we say face of India, turant kina ama manako ase kon our national flag. That is our identity. Okay. So also, when these artists spoke about identity of their nation, identity to their nation, they visualized the nation. Okay. And the nations were portrayed as female figures. Our face to the nation kona? Na national flag. ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ତାଙ୍କ nation को गोटे national flag द्वारा identify कले. Okay, they identified the nation through their national flag. When we say Vasudeva Kutumbakam, tamane kono? All the deviants, you'll start your prayers also. What does that mean in India when we say Vasudev Kutumbakam? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏବେ ବି recently advertisements ଆସୁଛି ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦି ଯୋଉଠି କହୁଛନ୍ତି କି Vasudev Kutumbakam. What does that mean?
Ma'am, Vasudeva Kutumbakam means all the citizens in the country are equal and made up same thing as everyone, and they are of same soil.
माने we the citizens of India, we are one family. Hala? And we welcome everyone. Kutumbakam. Okay. Say Prakar. Say Prakar. Just a minute. Say Prakar. Then other nations also, they started getting their identity. When we talk of India by means of a national flag, when we visualize them, so also the artists visualize those nations in terms of their flags. So every country tries to give a face, that is personification to nation. So when we are saying Bharat Mata, so also the other countries like German ra kon asila? Germania was an imaginary lady. Germania satere kehi nathile. Hala? Jemti ame Bharat Mata koche imaginary, so also German had an imaginary lady with whom it idealized. It was Germanica. Okay. And who else had? Other than German, ଆଉ କାହାର ଥିଲା?
In France, Marianne.
France ର କଣ ଥିଲା?
Marianne.
So France, Marianne, and German, Germanica. Other than that also, there were some slaves who became free and they wore what? They wore the red cap and they were roaming about wearing a red cap. Because so that the other people will know that those who are wearing the red cap, they were the peasants who got freed later. So the ideas were expressed through symbols. There were so many symbols and which express their ideas. सेमान पाखे ideas थला, ideologies थला, किंतु केमते express करिवे सेमाने जानि नथिले. So the artists gave them various ideas and symbols through which they express themselves. And जेमते कि थिले कोन, the Lady of Justice. Has everyone seen the Lady of Justice? Blindfolded and एमती धरि थांदी.
Yes, ma'am.
So, see eta bhi gote symbol. That is the symbol of justice. Okay. Now, this was how the artists visualized the nations, and then we come to nationalism and imperialism. Nationalism ta bujha paduchi. What is nationalism? We understand that. But what is imperialism? What is the difference between nationalism and imperialism? Ke bujucha imperialism kona bujparcha? Huh? Nationalism kona? Love for one own country.
Ma'am, love towards country.
Love towards a country. Imperialism kona? What is imperialism?
Love towards the empire.
Nah. Nationalism jeta koche, we are only saying love towards our own country. When we speak about imperialism, it is like I love my country so much that I don't love the other countries. I don't think the other countries to exist also. Which palla? Mane jemdi there are tame or tama friend di jana jaka acha. So your family loves you. His family also loves him. Hela. तो जेझर मामा पापा कौन कहबे कि नाइ नाइ आमर पिला बहुत भलो तांकर भी कहबे आमर पिला बहुत भलो एटा गोटे कंपैरिजन नाही जे जेझर पिला को बड़ कहउछ बट इंपीरियलिज्म कोठो आसीबो सका आम पिला भलो तांको पिला भलो नाही बुझा पड़ला आमो नेशन भलो द अदर नेशन इज नॉट गुड we totally degrade that nation. We do not think about that. We only think about our nation, which is good to us, and we say that the other thing is literally bad. Eta hala imperialism. Got it? Got the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
So nationalism is love for one's own country, and imperialism is only my country is good, rest of the countries are not given importance. So after the nations, there was unification of the nations, and after the nations became independent, they tried to dominate each other. ଏବେ କଣ ହେଲା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ power ମିଳିଗଲା, they had their own identity. So what happened? They tried to dominate each other. The bigger countries ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ବେଶୀ area ଥିଲା, ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ବେଶୀ power ଥିଲା, the bigger countries, they tried to scare the smaller ones. वो लोग डराने लगे छोटे छोटे countries को. How? हाँ, like Britain tried to dominate whom? Britain काहाକୁ dominate କରିଥିଲା after this? South Africa and India. हाँ कि नहीं? India and South Africa were dominated
Yes,
by Britain. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So here one term comes, that is what? Balkans. Who are the Balkans? And how the Balkans were the reason for World War. Who are the Balkans? Anyone? Kaku jana? Who are the Balkans? They were the region of geographical and ethnic variation. Mediterranean Sea, सुने क्या? किसी ने Mediterranean Sea के बारे में सुना है?
Yes, ma'am.
So Mediterranean Sea, it touches one side Asia, other side Europe. Mediterranean Seas को empty border करके, there are many countries. The countries that are around the Mediterranean Seas, they are showing geographical variation. And because they are showing geographical variation, and they also have ethnic variation. Olga alga jaga mane olga alga ethnicity bhi. So the people there were called what? Slavs. What were they? What were the people in the Balkan areas called? Slavs. Okay. And
What is the meaning of Slavs?
Slavs la semane ଗୋଟେ term use କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କି ଆଉ there is no as such no meaning. The Balkans, they were the Balkans, okay, and they were broadly known as Slavs. ଯେମିତି ଆମେ we are known as Indians because we live in India. So they like the people living in US of A, they are called Americans. So they were also called as Slavs. ଏମିତି କିଛି particular meaning ନଥିଲା ତାର, they were termed, they were broadly called as Slavs. So the Balkans living in the Mediterranean area, they were called as Slavs. And ଏବେ se countries ଗୁଡାକ କୋଉ the countries around it, which currently those countries are which countries? Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Croatia, Slovenia, and you see the other countries in your book. Okay, এটা just a brief gote visualize କରିଦବ so that you can write in detail. If there is a detailed question to this, ki how Balkans were the reason for world war, he describe the Balkans, eta likhidaba. Hela. So the Balkans were initially under the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire kiye? Turkey Empire.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
the Turkeys, they ruled the Balkan areas. And slowly there was disintegration of the Balkan area and the countries gained independence. Jital country manu ko independence mili gala, Balkan area bhi disintegrate hi gala. So the imperialist force was going and it gave rise to conflicts and tried to conquer territories. Jitol siye कहला कि no, I am a better nation than the other, and then they tried to gain power over the other nation. Seiti asigala imperialist ideas. Imperialist ideas asiyala there was wars. And the big powers like the France, Germany, Austria tried to control the Balkan countries. And there were series of wars. Okay, there were series of wars where the Ottoman Empire weakened and the various nations broke free. And when there were series of wars, it also led to the First World War, which was between 1914 to 1918. Ebe connection pailo je jota start hela France ru, how did it lead to the World War? And the colonies of South Africa and India, they were anti-imperialistic. After the World War, ସେମାନେ ବି ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ revolt ଥିଲା for independence, it gained strength only after the World War. They were inspired from the World War and they were anti-imperialistic. They had a nationalist feeling. So etu କେମିତି କିନା connect ହେଲା India and South Africa? Got the connection?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we come to the end of the chapter. Just because you had a you all have a ongoing exam, so we thought of not conducting the quiz, but immediately after the exam there will be successive quizzes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And so acha, who had appeared for the exam yesterday? Sovik and who else? Shubham. And Shantanu, you did not have your exam?
Ma'am, your exams are already finished.
Exams are already over.
Ma'am, the next exam is in next month.
Okay, okay. So is Shubham present in the class?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Our also.
Okay. So yeah, Shubham is also not present. So there was a question from Shubham and Sovik that, wait, I'll tell. Relate one reason about the fact that the federal power sharing is more effective today than it was in the early years of constitution, early years when constitution came into force. Can you understand the question? Relate one reason about the fact that the federal power sharing is more effective today than it was in the early years of when constitution came into force.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the question is why the division of federal power system is very necessary or better?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
because
that can
in this,
also be a question. Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, because in this system, the powers are divided into different groups of the government. So one government do not have the more power to control the whole country.
Absolute power. Sei jagare likhidabo, one government did not have the absolute power. Mane ta pakhe sabbu power nathila. It was divided, na?
Yes,
So jeta likhiba absolute power, the answer will be more impressive.
absolute power to control the whole country.
Yes.
So it will be better to make a group to further decision making.
ସେଇଟା ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଏକ୍ସାମରେ ଯୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନଟା ଆସିଥିଲା ତା ଦେହରେ ଥିଲା କି earlier times this was not prevalent and so why now it is better. So this will be the answer. So next class also when they'll be present we can discuss this in detail. Regarding this chapter, any doubts or do you want any long question or answers? Do you have any questions to which you want the answers?
No, ma'am.
You all can put in the group also. If you have any doubt, okay, you put the question over there and like if I can, I'll write the answer and send it to you there only. So we'll save time by that. Bushpalla.
Okay, ma'am.
ହେଲା ଯାହା ବି କିଛି ଲଙ୍ଗ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ସରିକା ଡିସ୍କସ କରିବାର ଥିବ କି ଗୋଟେ ଇୟର ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଥିବ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆନ୍ସର ଜାଣି ପାରୁନଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଏମିତି ଟିକେ ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା ହେଇକି ଥାଏ ନା ଯୋଉଟା କି ମାନେ ସେମ ଆନ୍ସର ଥିବ ବଟ ଦ ଫର୍ମେସନ ଅଫ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଇଜ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଇୟର ର ୟୁ ଗୋ ଥ୍ରୁ ଦ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ ଇୟର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ସ ଅଲସୋ ଯୋଉଟା କି ପାଇବ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆନ୍ସର ନ ଜାଣି ପାରିଲେ ୟୁ ପୁଟ୍ ଇଟ ଇନ ଦ ଗ୍ରୁପ ଓକେ so any doubt regarding this chapter?
No, ma'am.
The rest of y'all, Jasmine?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
You're clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do we do now? Should we discuss some terms relating to this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the Ottoman Empire? Who will answer? Ottoman Empire किए rule करथेला?
Turkish ruler.
They were the Turkish rulers. Huh? The spiritual and temporal head of the Muslims. They were the Ottoman Empire. So in this chapter, what all did we come through? There was the French Revolution. Okay.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
Napoleon invaded Italy. Then
Yes, ma'am.
Napoleonic Wars also began.
Napoleonic Code.
Then came the Napoleonic Code, which was introduced prohibiting privileges based on birth. ता माने हैला कि just because he was born into a royal family, he cannot be given a privilege. The law will
Nepotism.
be equal for everyone. Napoleon ଆସିକି ଏହା କହିଲେ ହେଲା
Yes, ma'am.
ତ ଯାହାର capability ability ସେଇ ଅନୁସାରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଯିବ scope. So
And then middle class.
Napoleon. So what was the motto of Napoleon? He upheld equality.
Yes, ma'am.
The equality before law. Then fall of Napoleon. Why did Napoleon fail?
And because his decisions are more accountable for French, not for the other countries.
Not for the other countries. He was more inclined towards the French, and he was like the other countries, they felt that he was more partial, and they tried to throw him out, but they followed his ideas. Modernization tankar idea thila.
Yes, ma'am.
Arijit, are you there in the class? So modernization thila.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so modernization thila tankar idea. So the nations, they adapted modernization, but they did not accept Napoleon. So there was fall of Napoleon, and there was Vienna Peace Treaty. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Treaty of Vienna.
Treaty of Vienna. Kodi aitila?
In Vienna.
In Vienna.
In Vienna. Then came what? The Greek struggle for independence.
Ma'am, Bourbon dynasty again came to the power.
Bourbon dynasty came into power. Okay. Then Greek struggle for independence. Then Mazzini established Young Italy. The
And
revolutionary
young Europe.
Young Europe, and armed rebellion against Russian rule took place.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapare the Greece gained independence. The Greeks gained independence. There was Treaty of Constantinople. Tapare
Yes, ma'am.
Zolverin asla. What was Zolverin? What was Zolverin? Customs Union. कौन करुतला से टैरिफ बैरियर्स गुड़ा को बैन कला, abolish कला, so that the people could easily trade with each other. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then came the revolutions in Europe. The artisans, the industrial workers, and peasants. समस्ते मिसिकिना गोटे peasants मानकर गोटे revolt हला. Side by side, आउ कार हला? The constitutions and representative governments, Italians, Germans, Poles, they also demanded nation states.
Yes, ma'am.
तापर असला कौन? Piedmont and France defeated Austria. Then Victor Emmanuel II of Piedmont, Sardinia, became the king of
Become the king of northern and the Siberian. Become the whole king of the Italy.
very good, became the king of Italy. So there was unification of Italy, and there was also unification of Germany. Prussian king,
Yes, ma'am.
who was proclaimed as the German emperor? Prussian king, yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
किए थिले?
ma'am, 1 second.
1 second, notes देखिए कोई बना कौन?
No, ma'am.
देखिए कि कुआ चलिबो.
Ma'am, the name was मतलब मैम कभी माइंड में आता है फिर चला जाता
हाँ, क्या आता है फिर फाइनली कौन आया?
केसर विलियम
William 1.
Very good. Who answered this? Arijit? You answered?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So Kaisar William Jamanira, he was crowned as the king. And what were the Balkans called as? Balkans inhabitants were
Slavs.
broadly known as
Slavery.
Slavs. Like, कौन? What were
Slav.
you? Slavs. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Easy thila chapter na difficult? Hmm?
I'm easy but confusing.
Confusing ना हमें notes माने point wise करदेले आउ difficult हबनी हैला so
Yes, ma'am.
after all these like Balkans wars and everything all the wars हाँ सेटा धीरे धीरे Britain when it tried to take its control over South Africa and India से जो imperialistic feeling थिला India और South Africa ର ସେମିତିଆ नथिला they were anti imperialist हाँ ता मझिरे कौन हैला ना World War One ହେଇଗला ए सब झगड़ा झाटीरे World War One ହେଇଗला को India को आउ टिके force मिलिला हाँ ideas मिलिला and आउ टिके spirit भी मिलिला तो India started to fight for its independence too next chapter is what?
Ma'am, nationalism in India.
So in a connection ଜାଣିଲ जोटा start ହେଲା rise of nationalism in Europe when France sneezes the rest of the country catches cold so it started in France and rest of the Europe caught cold okay after it caught cold what happened everyone started for their own identity
Yes,
ତାର
ma'am.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ନେସନ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଟି ମିଳିଗଲା ହଁ ମିଳିଗଲା ଯେମିତି କି ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ନେସନ ଫର୍ମ ହେଇଗଲା ତାପରେ ବି ସେମାନେ ଝଗଡା କଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ କି ଫର ପାୱାର କାହାର ଅଧିକା ପାୱାର ରହିବ ହେଲା ଏମିତି ପାୱାର ଦରକାର ହେଇକି ବ୍ରିଟେନ ର ସବୁଠୁ ବେଶୀ ହିଁ ପାୱାର ଦରକାର ଥିଲା ତ ବ୍ରିଟେନ started to establish started to expand its empire ଯେତେବେଳେ expand କରି କରି ସବୁଆଡୁ ଗଲା then there resulted a world war ହେଲା so sorry so here we come to the end of the chapter